Good morning guys. Today I'm gonna cook sayon ra kayo guys. Ginisang itlog na may kangkong. Okay, so we need salt, black pepper, kangkong, eggs, and then garlic, tomatoes, onions, spring onions, and butter. Okay, so we're gonna saute the garlic. Then the onions. And then the tomatoes guys and the spring onion. Okay. Ato sa limas. Igisa sa nato pag-ayaw. Okay guys, naluto ng mga lamas. Sige na tugtog guys. Okay, it's time for the egg na guys. So ito na flow na ng itlog. Okay guys, look at that one guys. Oh, ito sigsugkay guys. Para maluto ang itlog guys. And now, I'm going to add but I'm gonna taste first. Okay, it's good already. So I'm gonna add the kangkong. Mercadillos guys, para maluto ang kangkong. Dadiyot naman kayo na, maybe 1 minute or 2 minutes. Okay. So our ginisang itlog na may kangkong, it's done. Look at that one. It's super yummy. Okay, I'm gonna off the heat na. Okay, and let's taste it. Okay, I'm gonna taste the kangkong. Oh. Yummy. Ano na itong ginisang itlog na may kangkong. Ginisang itlog na may kangkong. Dali ra kaayo, og sayon ra kaayo guys. Affordable and very delicious. Okay? Thank you for watching and please hit like, follow, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, D Broja, to my Instagram, D_bro_ja, and to my TikTok at The Cooking Show, and to my Facebook page, The Cooking Show, and to my personal blog, Delia Valentine. To all my supporters and non-supporters, thank you for watching. Super yummy!